Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're sick of hair fall or rough hair, this time around try this natural hair mask. So how I grew my hair faster and longer naturally. The first ingredient that I use is fenugreek seed. These are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C, and are a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium and iron. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid and high in protein, considered to be one of the most effective remedies to treat hair fall issues. These seeds are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, scalp issues. Blame it on our lifestyle or the stress times that we live in, but this treats a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness and also hair thinning. It contains a large amount of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of hair follicles. The seeds also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce back to the hair. And next ingredient I'm using is amla. Amla is one of the most nourishing herbs for hair, useful in any form, raw, powdered or as an oil. Here I'm taking the amla powder. It improves the pigmentation, known to help reduce the grayness and discoloration, making the hair long and luscious. And amla is natural conditioner and can nourish, strengthen and condition your hair, thereby making it shiny and adding volume to your hair. Amla helps in increasing the scalp circulation and stimulate healthy growth. This helps in stimulating hair growth, both length and also the volume wise. Vitamin C of amla produces collagen protein. And now the secret ingredient and star of the show, black seeds. These are miraculous seeds which stops hair loss and helps to regrow the lost hair. And the hair that grows won't be fine or fragile, that falls off easily. Black seeds make your hair grow thicker and stronger. Also, it stimulates the dormant hair follicles, so you will have a denser and fuller looking hair. And black seeds contains the powerful antioxidants which strengthens the hair follicles and encourage the new growth. This antioxidants also helps to protect hair cells from the normal aging process that thins the hair. This is the close-up of the black seeds. And these three ingredients paired together are a powerful ingredients for hair growth and reduce hair fall. Fenugreek seeds, black seeds and also the amla powder, or if you have the amla that is dried up, that's even better. But all these three ingredients are the powerful combination for the hair growth. First, I would grind the fenugreek seeds and also the black seeds to a fine powder, and then add the amla powder, 1 part each. So I take 1 part of fenugreek seeds and 1 part of black seeds and make it into a fine powder. And once that powder is ready, and then I would actually mix with the amla powder. And usually I store it in a box or a container and use it whenever needed. So here I'm taking the fenugreek seeds and black seed and amla powder and mixing it with the homemade natural yogurt. So natural yogurt is full of protein that offers the nourishment. It has lactic acid that is great for cleansing the scalp and cleaning away the dead cells to help your hair grow properly. Mixture is going to be like slimy and thick once you add the yogurt. And this is how the mask would look, and I'm going back and adding more yogurt since this is way thicker than what I'm looking for, and going back and mixing the mask. Since we are adding the fenugreek seeds, it absorbs all the water content in the yogurt and it's going to be kind of slimy, but that is the consistency we are looking for. First of all, I would be combing my hair. I'm just using the regular brush and combing my hair, and now I'm going to apply the mixture. I'm starting off with my scalp and taking my hair into parts and applying remaining of the mask to my hair, length of my hair, and then I'm going to make it into a knot or whatever hairstyle that you would prefer, and then I would be leaving on this for 30 minutes. And you could wash and style as per your preference, and if you want to see my routine, I have it linked below. Try this mask and please leave your comments and please give a big thumbs up, and thank you for visiting my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.